Hey, sorry this is late, but here's my lip combo. Okay, so the first thing that I do every time is I just put some chapstick on, because, like, who doesn't put chapstick on? I think I got this from, like, Marshalls or something. Then I use this NYC lip liner in the shade Ever, or, like, hold on. It's not focusing, hold on. There you go, it's there. And then some days I either use this one, which is, I know it's, like, really cheap, but it's just colorful. Or I use this Too Faced one, which I'm going to use this one because I don't want to burn my lips right now. For this one, I don't put too much, but I also don't put too little. Like about that much. Oh, that's a lot. A little more. Hold up. Yeah, that's all. It's not as good as it was earlier. At least I don't think. But yeah. Also, sometimes I use this at night. And it's really good. I got it from my friend. So, that's all. Mwah. Bye, guys. Love you.